Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Pitbull brush is probably one of the most important tools you can have for maintaining your Pitbull's short, smooth coat and keeping them healthy and happy. In this video, we will review the best brushes for Pitbulls on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you choose the perfect brush to keep your furry friend looking and feeling their best. Number 5. Hertzko Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Say goodbye to tangled fur and hello to a shiny, healthy coat. It effortlessly removes loose hair, mats, and debris, leaving your pet feeling comfortable and looking their best. Cleaning up after grooming has never been easier. With a simple push of a button, the bristles retract, allowing for quick and easy fur removal. No more messy cleanups. This brush is your secret weapon against excessive shedding. The angled bristles gently detangle and remove loose fur, promoting a healthier coat and reducing hair around your house. Grooming shouldn't be a chore. It features a comfortable grip handle, reducing hand fatigue even during longer grooming sessions. Enjoy comfortable grooming time with your pet. Made with soft, fine bristles, it's gentle on your pet's skin, regardless of their fur type. It's effective for both long and short-haired cats and dogs. What we like. This brush boasts a self-cleaning feature, making post-grooming cleanup a breeze. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during longer sessions. If you value convenience and efficiency in your pet's grooming routine, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. With one hand you can control and clear the hair from the brush, leaving your second hand free for pets, scratches, and comfort. I have tried a lot of slicker brushes, but this one makes it easy to get the excess hair off and keep going with its button that gets the hair off the brush for you, and you can begin again deshedding your pup. This worked great on my lab mix. It's easy to brush, push the button, wipe off the fur. No more picking the fur from the bristles. Number 4. Dog Slicker Brush. Say goodbye to pet hair woes. This innovative brush makes grooming your furry friend a breeze. It's designed for comfort and ease of use. Its soft, flexible tips massage your pet's skin while removing loose fur, mats, and tangles. No more painful pulling or scratching. Keep your home cleaner than ever before. It efficiently removes up to 95% of loose hair, reducing shedding dramatically. Cleaning is a snap. Simply press a button to retract the bristles and easily wipe away collected hair. The comfortable, ergonomic handle makes grooming a pleasant experience for both you and your pet. It's easy to hold and use. Made with high-quality, durable materials, it's built to last for years. Save money and time compared to professional grooming. Whether your pet has short, long, or sensitive skin, this brush is the perfect solution for all breeds and sizes. Enjoy a happy, healthy pet. What we like. This slicker brush is designed for painless grooming, even on sensitive skin. It's incredibly effective at removing loose fur, keeping your home cleaner. If your pet sheds excessively and you need a simple, effective solution, this brush is for you. What people say. The little nubs on the points of the metal prongs make the brushing more soothing. It's so much better and my dog loves it even more than the other brush. Awesome brush for my short-haired lab. 'Tis the season for shedding, so it's really helped with all the hair. So easy to clean also. Number 3. Essentials Rubber Curry Brush. This brush is perfect for keeping your pet's coat healthy and shiny. Its unique design makes grooming quick and easy. Easily remove loose and shedding hair with this efficient brush. Say goodbye to fur all over your house. It's great for use during bath time, making the process more enjoyable for you and your pet. The rubber bristles are gentle yet effective. Cleaning it is a breeze. Simply rinse it off and let it air dry. This brush is specially designed for short-haired breeds, ensuring a comfortable and effective grooming experience. It's gentle on their skin. The convenient loop handle provides a comfortable and secure grip during grooming, making the whole process easier and more efficient. What we like. This rubber curry brush is perfect for short-haired breeds and is incredibly easy to clean. It's also ideal for use during bath time. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss brush for your short-haired dog, this is a great option. What people say. Effective at removing loose hair, the rubber bristles really grab onto the loose fur without pulling or irritating my dog's skin. It works especially well after a bath or during shedding season. The rubber bristles are gentle yet effective and promote a healthy coat. It's incredibly effective at removing loose hair and feels great to my dogs. Number 2. Silicone Pet Brush. This innovative brush is designed for all pet types and sizes. It gently removes loose hair and debris, saving you time and money on grooming. The soft silicone bristles are gentle yet effective. It's perfect for short-haired breeds and sensitive areas like the face and belly. One side effortlessly removes mats and tangles, while the other side gently massages your pet's skin. The silicone bristles provide a soothing massage, promoting healthy blood circulation. Your pet will love the feeling. Its comfortable, ergonomic handle makes grooming easy and enjoyable, even for extended periods. It's a pleasure to use. This beautifully packaged brush makes a thoughtful gift for any pet lover. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced pet owners. What we like. This two-sided brush offers both detangling and massage functionality, using soft silicone bristles that are gentle on sensitive skin. It's also a great value option. If you're looking for a versatile and budget-friendly brush that's kind to your pet's skin, this is a great choice. What people say. The rubber nubs massage my dog's skin and removes loose dog hair, and the soft bristles finishes the job by removing the remaining loose hair and make my dog's coat soft and shiny. Well-made, sturdy brush. My dog is a short-haired Pitbull mix husky mix with a soft coat and not a heavy shedder. He loves to be brushed with the soft bristle side, and then I switch to the nubby massage side. He rolls with joy. Silicone side worked great in the shower, and bristles were perfect for after while blow drying our Shih Tzu Yorkie. Number 1. Ruff and Ruffus Deshedding Brush. Introducing the ultimate grooming kit for your furry friend. It includes everything you need for a complete grooming experience at home, saving you time and money. This deshedding brush removes knots, dander, and loose hair with ease. It's perfect for all dog and cat breeds and hair types, making grooming a breeze. This deshedding tool is ergonomically designed for comfortable use and features special bristles to effectively remove shedding hair. Keep your pet's coat healthy and tangle-free. The included nail clippers are sharp, durable, and feature a safety stop to prevent accidental injuries. Give your pet a safe and comfortable nail trim. We stand behind our products with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Buy with confidence, knowing we're here to help if you have any issues. Click Add to Cart now and give your pet the gift of a healthy, shiny coat. Get your complete grooming kit risk-free. What we like. This deshedding brush is highly effective at reducing shedding and comes with a detachable head for easy cleaning. It also includes nail clippers for a complete grooming kit. If you want a comprehensive grooming solution that tackles shedding effectively, this kit is for you. What people say. Works well. The deshedder works good, but the part that I am most happy with is the nail clippers because I have had a bad time getting a decent pair. These clippers are perfect and have already been tried on both of my dogs who hate to have their nails cut, so ease of use is imperative. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.